Hello everyone, welcome back again to Lydia's Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making tasty, delicious and finger-licking and also sweet and spicy chicken wings. It's full of flavor and I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share if you like this recipe. So let's get started. So I have here my spices. I'll be using yellow mustard, ginger powder, oregano powder, onion powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, sesame oil, sweet soya sauce, cayenne pepper, paprika powder, chili oil and vegetable seasoning. I'll be listing all the ingredients and quantities in the description box below. So I have here fresh cleaned chicken pieces. I'll go ahead and marinate with all the spices mentioned. I will start with the chili oil, sesame oil, sweet soya sauce, ginger powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, paprika powder, onion powder, oregano seasoning, chili flakes, cayenne pepper, yellow mustard, vegetable seasoning, and I'll mix it all well to combine. Next, I'll go ahead and transfer them on the baking tray. I have preheated my oven to about 360 degrees. I will nicely arrange the chicken wings and I'll be grilling it for about 20 minutes. And at this point, the chicken wings are ready and nicely done. So I'll let it sit to cool down. Next, in a hot saucepan, I'll add 1 tablespoon of butter. I'll wait for it to melt. Next, I'll add 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons of ginger and garlic sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of Sriracha hot sauce. I'll mix it well to incorporate and I'll stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. In another saucepan, I'll transfer the chicken wings in and I'll add the barbecue honey sauce. After adding it, I'll stir it all together to combine very well. And at this point, our barbecue honey chicken wings is all done. It's very tasty and finger licking. It tasted so delicious. So I hope you like this recipe. It's very simple. And trust me, it tastes very, very delicious. So thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.